Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paula Nanya, and in today's video we're going to be talking about layering your skincare products and basically what your skincare routine should contain. So what really motivated this video is a couple of reasons actually. Number one, I've been seeing a lot of people asking people weird questions. Wait, why didn't you use the essence first before using your serum? I don't understand. Is the serum not supposed to come before the essence? Where is your toner? Where is this? Where is that? And also, another thing that made me do this video is people are putting their sunscreen first before using the moisturizer. Like the moisturizer is now the last thing they use in their routine. And I'm confused because I don't get it. Now, guys, I am a skincare therapist and it's my duty to educate everybody around me on how to do these things. So if I come across a video, I feel like there are other people who are ignorant about this also, and I'm compelled to, make a video to talk about it so that someone out there can get it straight and not be misled by these people also. So the first part of this video is about using an essence before your moisturizer or your serums or using a toner. Now, the basic skincare routine that you're supposed to have, everybody is meant to have actually. There are the three things that are very common with everybody in skincare. Is first your cleanser, your moisturizer, and your sunscreen. Those are the three basic things that you need to actually start a routine. When you say, okay, yes, I have started my routine, those are the three things that you need. Okay? Why I'm saying these are the three things that you need are because they are common. Like that's the only constant thing in everybody's routine. Okay? So now when you now talk about branching off to wanting to add other things to your routine, you're adding those things to your routine because of your skin concern, condition, problem, situation. That is why you're adding the other things. So that's where your toner comes in, your serums comes in, your essence comes in, your whatever actually, the vitamin C's that you use, the essence, everything. That is where all those things come in. Okay? Because you're trying to solve a skincare problem or you're trying to address a skincare condition, basically all of those things in one. So please, let's stop. Let's just stop. Let's stop confusing it. Not everybody is going to want to use a toner. Not everybody is going to want to use an essence. Not everybody is going to want to use a serum. Okay? So if your skincare is basically giving you like your skincare is just three steps, your cleanser, your moisturizer, and your sunscreen, and it's giving you all you need. Actually, maybe your moisturizer has virtually all the ingredients that you need in a serum or any other product, then you can just stick to your moisturizer and forget about using an essence, a toner, a whatever, basically. So that is it. Okay. So please, when you see people using this thing, just know that they are using them according to their skin condition. Okay. So the only thing that is like, okay, now let me explain why anybody will use an essence before they use their serums is because these serums are, because we have two types of serums actually. We have the serums that are water based and the serums that are oil based. So there are serums that can always blend and penetrate better when the face is kind of hydrated. So that's like there's some kind of moisture on your face, there's water or hydration or whatever on your face, and then these serums work better with it. And there are some serums that you have to use after you must have used your moisturizer, like after you must have used your water-based product and your face is dried down, then you use this serum. Okay, so like your actives cannot be applied on a wet face or a damp face. It has to be applied on a dry face. Do you understand me now? So that is why you will see anybody using an essence, then using a moisturizer, then using a sunscreen, because that is the way it's meant to be. Using an essence, a serum, then a moisturizer, and blah blah blah. That is why you see this person using it in that way. So nobody is wrong. It's not wrong to do it in that method. We don't all have to do the same thing. The only thing that is supposed to be the same is your cleanser, your moisturizer, and your sunscreen. Those are the only things that are supposed to. So now let's now go to the other part, which is using your sunscreen before your moisturizer. Man, what is sunscreen? So sunscreen is that thing that protects you from the sun. So it's my palm now being on this part, and whatever that wants to come and hit my face has to go through my palm. So it is strong enough to withstand whatever. As you can see, I'm hitting, and I'm not feeling it on my cheek. So that is what your sunscreen is supposed to do. So now using your sunscreen after your toner and then using a moisturizer defeats that goal. I don't understand where this person is. She was advertising about a particular product, and she was showing off this brand, and she was doing it in this way, and she said this is how she does it every time. I had to actually comment that she was doing it the wrong way, and she was supposed to use her moisturizer first before her sunscreen. I had to comment. I could not just keep it to myself, because I saw that she had a lot of following, and she had a lot of people like watching, and a lot of people were asking about her routine and the products and how they could get the products. And I had to comment so that other people can see this comment and know that that's not the way she's supposed to do it. So maybe when they now come to my page, they would see that I'm actually certified to talk about this, and then they will understand where I'm coming from and why I made that comment on her post. Okay, so that's the thing. I don't usually comment on everybody's posts. I shy away from it because I don't want trouble, but I just had to, because she was giving out some kind of information that I know that a lot of people are going to be misled by it. So I needed to correct that immediately. So please, don't your sunscreen is supposed to be the last thing. Like, if you forget to use any product and you've applied your sunscreen, forget about it. There's no point going further. Just leave it alone. It's gone. Okay, just you use it in your next routine, or if it's something you can use in the evenings, you then use it in the evening, and just make sure that everything ends at your sunscreen, unless you're going to be on makeup. Unless you're going to be in makeup. So, and that is it. Then you use your makeup products. That's it. But if you're going to be on your bare face, your sunscreen is supposed to be the last. Even now, they have spray sunscreen. So if you're going to be on makeup, you can also still spray your sunscreen on your makeup, and you'll be fine. So guys, please, let's understand these things and then make mistakes that would, be like we're not making any, like we're just wasting our time. Because she just did that routine, and if that's what she does every day, then she thinks that she's protecting herself. No, she's not. She's definitely not protecting herself at all. She's actually not the only person that I have seen. A lot of this high these influential people do not actually use sunscreen, and I'm confused. Is it that, okay, you feel that the sun over there isn't hot enough, or it's not doing anything to you guys? See, let's all stop this talk about, I don't know, will I say black don't crack and all of that. Like, it's an aftermath thing. It's not something that's going to show immediately. It's something that's going to show later on. You're going to see the effects of everything that we're talking about right now. Okay, so you might not be seeing the vision right now, but definitely it's something upfront that is going to show its face. You understand? Anyway, guys, that's all I came here to talk about, so that you guys know your routine does not have to be the same. So if you see people using, unless you see them using their moisturizer last, then that's a problem. But if you see anybody layering their product the way they want it to go, I use a toner first, like after cleansing my face, then I use my serums, then I use my gel, then I use my moisturizer and my sunscreen. That's how I do it. That's how I want to do it. Okay, because I want to give myself hydration. So I go about it that way. There are also days where I just cleanse, moisturize, use my sunscreen, and I'm out of the house. There are still days where I just use I just go straight to my serums, my moisturizer, and my sunscreen. There are days where I just use my serums and my sunscreen, because my sunscreen also like is super hydrating or super moisturizing. So I just use it straight up like that. So everything just depends on what your skin needs. So don't condemn people when you see them doing it. What I'm talking about that is wrong is using your sunscreen then using your moisturizer after. That's totally bullshit, if I must use that word. Anyways, that's all I came here to say. I hope you've learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Also share it. Someone might be in need of this video. So guys, I hope you had a wonderful Sunday, because I did. Anyway, see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.